Hello, today we're going to talk about and show you how to work through a slip knot, which is a fancy way of just saying putting our yarn on our hook. Okay, so here's how we do it. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to twist your yarn so that you have a loop on the right hand side, and then you have your two tails on the left hand side. You want to make sure that the short tail ends up on the bottom or lower, but on top of your loop. So it's the one on top. Okay, and then I'll show you how to do this easily and fast with your hook. So what you're going to do is with this in this position, you're going to put your hook up through the underside of the loop, and you're going to yarn over or grab your working yarn, and you're just going to pull it through, and you can let go of your loop there so that it pulls nice and tight, and there you go, you're ready to go. Now that's not actually how I do it, so I'll show you a different way that it can be done, which might be more or less confusing. Pick the one that you like. Okay, the way that I do it is I'll have my short end down like this, and I'll take my little bunny ears here, and I'm going to insert palm down, two ears. I'm going to flip them around so that again we still have the same loop configuration with the short tail on top, and then I just actually put the working long string between my fingers so that I can just pull like this, and there's my slip knot. Now when you do this way, you still have to insert your hook, of course, but there is a right and a wrong way to do this. It's not that big of a deal, but it's always good to have the right way. So what you need to do is make sure so that your working loop isn't twisted. You want to find which of these two is the one that when you pull on it, it actually pulls your long string here. So I notice if I pull the top one, see how it takes from here, this one it goes to the knot. So you want to make sure that the one that pulls is going to be on, so that when you insert your hook, it's the one on top. Okay, so you don't want to go like this and have this one on top. That's the wrong way. That will twist your working loop. So you want to make sure that when you pull it tight, see how it's coming from the front and pulling, and then again you're just going to tighten up so that you have the proper gauge for the hook that you've chosen. And there you are, and you're ready to go. There's your slip knot.